All right, so what's up, what's glorious YouTube, the World Wide Web? As you guys can see, man, I'm live in the trenches today. We actually start today's video off, with Barry from Data Faded Warren. So this is my co-conspirator for the Dope Vintage event that's coming up in Houston, September 15th. So all you guys, man, pull up, be there, be square. We also have his glorious photographer, also actor in this thing, you dig? Hair inspiration. But yeah, we just conducted a really sick interview. So once that drops, hopefully I'll be able to upload it to my channel as well, so you guys can check it out there. But yeah, it's just an amazing interview. We had it set up live in the Thrift with all types of civilians just walking around, witnessing what was going on. And yeah, so
experience. So coming from Dave Fay, one amazing experience. Paul Cantu, shout out to you. Thrift Heaven.
Hey, thank you, brother. Yeah, check out my website, Thrift Heaven, man. I always forget to self-plug. But anyways, man, we're live in the trenches today, so let's see what fire we can find. And again, if you guys are in Houston, pull up, man. It most assuredly is going down September 15th. Trust and believe that. All right, guys, but the first find we got today, I had in the interview the whole time, is this 1990 vintage Bugs Bunny. And then just now I grabbed these Nike socks. These are super old school. Just look at the Crip Blue, shout out the boy Blue, hand egg, embroidery and the little sock liner. I don't know what this is called, the little ankle choker. But yeah, that is fire. Yeah, all right, my children. So we jumped out of Goodwill. Sorry for this weird transition, but we are shooting a whole interview and a little video for the homie at Data Faded Warren Barry. So just to promote the event, which by the way, man, pre-sale tickets are available now. If you guys would like to save $5 by buying the ticket ahead of time rather than at the door, you guys can do that. All the info's in the description. But yeah, we're at the next store, which is Bayou Village. So we're gonna go in here and pillage the village and see what they got up in here. All right, guys, we're in here and look at the hair inspiration. Dude, low key with the like front shots, this is what I'm gonna look like. Mullet gang, we working on it, we're cultivating. Man, they got that good head up in this store. Straight up. Oh my gosh, guys, why do I want this? Am I not turtly enough? Dude, you got the turtle encrusted dyed shirt. I guess because a turtle is my spirit animal. I literally used to be a turtle. So I guess this makes a whole lot of sense, man. It's fresh as hell in the shell. Oh, we got that boy Big Tuck. Southside the realest. Drug dealers, killers. All right, guys, so I looked through a lot of this stuff. I was tempted by the lamps. Just look at it. They got, however, I didn't really find much until I hit the t-shirt section, and oh my gosh, it's smacking. I love the graphic on this like dirt road racing tee. Yeah, simple on the front, sexy on the back. That's what I love. Speaking of which, man, time testing the true principle remains on the Aslan shirt right here. You got La Virgen de Guadalupe t-shirt right here. I love these shirts, bro. They're just sick. Like that ass graphic, swagtastic. Guys, yo, look at these, man. In the little formal section, I found a couple of ties. You got the Winnie the Pooh. So these could be worn for formal occasions, and if you guys don't have rope readily available, used in sexual occasions as well. So that's nice. Probably wouldn't use a child's television series and movie to actually do that in. This is also sick. You have the Detroit Pistons tie, and you guys know I'd rather be pissed on than pissed off, straight up. Might get that, dude. And then you also have a skinny tie with the whole Looney Tunes like cast and crew, boy eating his veggies. This is sick. I rarely ever see skinny ties in the Looney Tune variety. Usually they're like low-key thick like this one, so I might get all three of y'all, man. All three of them.
All three of y'all.
Oh, bro, these are kind of fire, man. You got the Kevin McAllister 2 large Speedo swim trunks. I might have to, man. They're like $1.60. Bro, look at this. You got that low-key wiener reveal system. The Reebok short shorts. You know, if you're well endowed, you could do a little slippage down the lower thigh. Size large, man. Can't complain. These vintage too. Ooh. Dang, dude, look at this. They got 3 crazy Disney ponchos on deck. Mickey is front and center with the pants. Could be looking like a swagged out version of Deadliest Catch. They got 3 of these guys. I think I'm just gonna grab one to leave in my car in case there's an impromptu thunderstorm. But these are nice, dude. Nice. I just gotta get one for the culture. Oh yes, sir. Where did I park? Oh, there's my vehicle. Located. Yeah, we're out of there. Hey, man. I brought the usable bags too, but I just left them in the car. I don't know if I said that too fast. Reusable bags. Enunciate. Oh, we whiffing too. Anyways, guys, yeah, the lady gave me this trash bag, and then I was like, oh, I don't want to tell her to take the clothes out, but I can reuse this trash bag. So in a way, this is like a half-a-cent value that I got at Value Village for free 99. Winning. All right, fellas. Just so you guys know, I'm not blowing smoke up your arse. Look at that. Yeah. Got the reusable bags on shoulder. All right, we're outside of Goodwill. Let's go up in here. There are a couple people dressed business casually, so must be lunch break, daddy. That might be why I have a headache, bro. I really am a hangry person. Damn, that camera looking delicious. All right, unfortunately my swallow game, my throat game isn't as good as I once thought. We're in the store though. Dang, look at this dude. He got Big Bird. Dude, this plush is super soft. It's really cheap. I gotta get it, dude. I just have to. I love these plushes, man. I love me some plush. Ooh, we got some little Jordan 1s. Dude, I'm gonna make some planters out of these for my pop-up. You guys know there is a benefit to pulling up to the pop-up. Y'all get exclusive customs. Oh Lord, dude, in the luggage section, there was a piece of luggage right there that I just grabbed. It's this fire Samsonite vintage suitcase with that brass little bit of golden accessory. But look at this, $25. Trippy. This is like how much antique stores sell these for. Now I have these stacked up with accoutrements to decorate my apartment, and that's what I would get this for. But the price is just so high. It makes no sense. Like, they got this for free 99. It's kind of trifling. Oh my God. Class, look at these Apex Predators, bro. This shirt goes hard. You got the Gulf Shores, Alabama. That means someone who had sex with their sister is who designed this shirt.
It's your sister, dude. She's gotta be, and you made out with her, man. What's wrong with you, you pervert?
Look at that too, though. It has like the blood entering the water. That definitely is not supposed to be there. I'm not sure if I'm gonna cop it with that, but this is a very cool tie-dye shirt. Oh man, I feel like I'm exploring out here. Look at that Indiana Jones. Ooh, that boy got that S&M whip right there. Is it S&M or? You guys know what I'm trying to say, right? Got that 50 Shades of Grey whip right there. Oh, my brain sharded. That's really cool. I think I'm gonna get it. It looks super old school based on the tag. Good God, guys. Yo, so y'all see that rack right there? It just was rolled out, and it's like the stables have opened. Check it out, man. You got a bunch of Polo Ralph Lauren shirts. Got the red pony, medium size. You got the big pony right here, all blue, number 3 on the sleeve. And then you got brand new with tags, another big pony. Jeez, guys, is that fire? Oh my God, really gonna interrupt? Dude, this is that fire winter wear right here. Look at this dope sweater made in USA. I got to, man. Codeine dreaming, purple. All right, guys, the final little find I found next to this soap dispenser. It's this dope, like native print custom collection, size medium denim jacket. Dude, this thing is just swag-tastic. I love the print. Got to. Oh, dude, that's awesome, man. I was just talking to myself for no reason. But guys, I got out of my car, I stepped right here, and a truck just slammed by at like 30 miles an hour. Tripping. Oh yes, kiddos. This is what I love to see when I walk in the store, bro. The sleeve never deceives. You guys know what time it is, man. Shout out all the cheeseheads. I'm a freaking star boy. You got that starter XXL Packers jacket. This thing is crispy, bro. The black, like this barely looks like it's ever been washed. That's starter nice. On the sleeve. Got a sad baby behind me. But I also did grab another chaqueta. Whoop, that's backwards. Whoopsies. Look at these sleeves. Again, they didn't deceive. You got the USA Olympic vintage windbreaker right here. Break wind like a boss. Oh, yeehaw. Saddle up, boys. Look at that pearl snap. Guys, the sleeve for real never deceives. I saw it from over there, and now I'm over here, and check it out. Oh man. Look at this little pit viper, baby. Is that what that is? I think so. You got the Diamondbacks little Rattler jersey, clean aquaberry colorway. Got that boy Stottlemyre on the back, number 44. Shout out Stottlemyre. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Oh well. Dude, this is a throwback. This is dope, man. You got the Columbus Crew vintage Adidas MLS jersey. I am going to grab this guy. I'm a soccer fan, have been, and this is a clean, crisp New jersey. Regardless. Oh my God, stop it, guys. In the jersey section, check it out, man. You got the all embroidered Royals jersey, but it gets better, man. Yes, it's majestic, cool base, new school. Check that out, man. That Bo Jackson jersey, you joking me? Number 16, bro, that is fire. Hey, man, shout out the boy Bo Jack. I think I gotta keep this in the personal. This shit is banging.
Now, where's that Tour de France thing? Not shoes.
Oh my gosh, guys, look at this jersey. This thing is straight in a pro. First of all, USA 6'9". Shout out that boy 6'9".
The fuck going on, man? We ain't ducking chains out here, man. We out here.
2017 Majestic Baseball World Series. I believe this is bootleg, but the player is a Hall of Famer. For sure. It's that dude Beef Bus? What? 6'9" on the back. I might just have to cop this off pure sexual positionness. Like, what? Beef Bus doing the 6'9"? Bro, that Blicky got the stiffy. Dude, tripping. This thing is all types of trifling, but in all the right ways. Stupid. No lie, the store's kind of doing it today. In the sneaker section, Nike boys, we don't do 3 stripes. I found the Nike Internationalists. Yeah, Internationalists. These are $6. They're my size. I might have to put them on. These are just a really like classic looking kick. All right, no lie, my guys. I really like these shoes. They kind of go with the fit too on the cool wolf gray colorway. All right, guys, so we're out of there, man. Hold up. Yeah. Dude, we got a lot of heat up in that store. It is amazing. Again, I left their reusable bag, so if there is a fiery place for me in the depths of hell, I humbly and gratefully accept it because I have them in the car. I just forget to take them in the stores and then it's too late, dude. Yeah, so flexed out. Shout out Family Thrift, man. Woo! Dude, Lord have mercy. All right, so we're in the last store of the day, I do believe, which is the Family Thrift, and I have been absolutely blessed in this thing. Look how clean this Chaps Ralph Lauren is. And you also got a little Tommy for your mommy with the V-neck, 85 on one sleeve, 85 on the other. Wow. Ooh, you guys know what time it is. As I mentioned the last thrift, I'm a soccer player by heart. You got the World Cup 94 heavily embroidered US. Oh my God, JH Silk. This is some silk sexiness. I wish you guys could feel this, man. This feels like a whole bunch of worms put in work. Lord. Oh my gosh. Stop it. Too icy for your wifey. Yo, 1995 World Figure Skating Tour. Oh my gosh. Blades of Glory steez.
Oh, you know who he is? Sex on ice.
Wow, guys, look at this polo. Got the Florida State Seminole, and it looks like it was hit on the upper clavicle with some seminal fluid. Ew. That's gross. This is one thing me and Pyrus have in common. We love that booty, baby. Oh, look at this. Jesus, you got this Tampa Bay Buccaneers little crew neck. I love the red accent. Dude, shout out the fashion designer on this one right here, guys. Look at that. Olives and grapes combined. They're similar shapes, but I never thought the colorway could make such an exceptional garment. Also, look at these little decorativenesses. This is super old school. You can tell by the Tommy tag. Made in Hong Kong. Crest on the chest. Oh, let's go. Let's go, guys. Guys, I'm beside myself, man. I just found a personal freaking grail. Nike boys, we don't do 3 stripes. Peep this, Nike white tag. Where was this constructed? Made in US of A. You got the Nike Air vintage polo shirt. This thing looking like a stack of Nike boxes. Full tatted up Nike logos on this guy. Oh my God. Bro, this is a banging grail. Oh my gosh, dude. Yeah, I don't even care, man. I'm finna rock this. Hey, next trip to the thrift, I'm gonna be draped in another polo, and it's gonna be Nike though. Wow. Fire. Uh-oh. Looks like the hype train has left the station. Bro, back in the day, they sure would be worthless. And now, who knows? Vintage Cleveland Browns though, baby. Dude. Yo, guys, it is poo season. Ew, that sounded gross. You got Piglet straight gorging on milk and cookies. And you got Pooh as well, pre-hibernation snack. That's amazing, XL and it's long sleeve. Oh my God, guys, this is new school, but still cool. I got juked, it's like 03, but it's the Grateful Dead tie-dye tee. God, this got my camera going crazy.
Oh my God.
Double-sided print. That is a firecracker. Guys, what on this good earth do we have here? Man, we got like a bunch of J's. You got some Jordan 12s, you got the flu games. Bro, these are sick. I love the bread colorway. Yeah, dude. Everything in this store is like $2 as well. So high key, we got some $2 Jordans in this thing, baby. You dig? Okay, guys. So sometimes they have more men's sections like some days and other days whenever they just restock the store. And usually this is a kids section, and I just looked down today. I was about to leave and check out this sleeve. I was like, you know what? I'll just try it. I'll grab it, see if the sleeve deceives this time. A lot of times these are nothing, but today you got that Boston Celtics vintage chalk line jacket. Celtics with that nice arc on the back. Oh my God, dude. The luck of the Irish is on my side. I am so blessed. Size large, my size. That is an Instacop, boy. Hell yeah, baby. Hell yeah.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.